Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to download and install Spotify. This is a fantastic program that allows you to listen to music for free. What more could you ask for? To start off with, all you need to do is head on over to the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, you now need to click on Windows and you need to go Save File. Once the file has finished downloading, we can now run the setup file. And it will begin to download Spotify and then install. Once Spotify has finished installing, you should now have a window that looks like this. You now need to sign up for free, or if you do already have an account, you can click on Log In. It takes 2 seconds to sign up, but you do need to use a valid email as you will need to activate your account. Once you have logged in, you now need to go agree and you can now browse their massive library of free music. Straight away, as you can see on the main page here, there's lots of awesome albums. If I just click on Hot Hits UK, it will now come up with lots of songs that I can listen to. There are thousands of songs on this program and like I said, they are all free. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.